Hello everyone at the Meadows. How are you doing today? Jenny on the left, Walt on the right. They probably won't stay there. They're going to move around. Well, I can't take your picture when you're too close, but that's okay. That's okay. Nice sunny day, folks. A little breezy, but it's cool. Wendy made some hot cross buns, and we're going to see if the doggies, don't tell Wendy, but they're going to sneak a piece, each have half a hot cross bun. Jenny, do you want some? Can you speak for everyone, Jenny? Jenny, say hi. Jenny, say hi. Jenny, say hi. Speak. Speak. Say yes, please. There you go. Now, Jenny likes to take hers, and she might pick it up. Pick it up, Jenny. Pick it up. Jenny likes to take her time and savor her food and enjoy it. She makes the most of it. Now this guy, this is Walt. He can be such a guy. He'll just gobble everything down. Walter, I can't get your picture when you're too close. Sit. Do you want this, Walt? Walt, do you want this? Nope. Walt, do you want it? Do you want it? Walt, being a typical guy, gone. Sometimes I think Walt part piglet. Was that good, Jenny? You eat yours too? You guys will have to tell Wendy that those were good. Okay, let's see. You guys going to do some tricks now? Hey, sit. Sit. Walter. Walt, lie down. He rolls over right. Just a play fight. They're just wrestling. They're only playing. Sometimes it sounds bad, but they're only playing. They have to let off some steam, just like little kids. Okay, folks, you have a good day for now, and we'll check in later on. Take care of each other. Be safe. We'll get in to see you as soon as we can, whenever this bad flu is all gone away. Take care.